Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a review on a brand called Duvolle. I think I said that right. Duvolle. Gotta say it with a little bit of accent. Anyways, they reached out to me and they were nice enough to send me one of their styling tools. So I'm just going to be, you know, curling my hair on up. So this is it right here. And I picked out the 25mm barrel because I've actually been wanting a curly wand of that size. Like, I have the curly wand that's tapered, and sometimes I don't want those tapered curls. Like, there's a certain way that those tapered curls, like, they give a certain type of look, and sometimes I want something different. And my issue also with a lot of curling wands that I have tried that are a little bit on the thicker side is that they usually never hold up as far as curls. Like, listen, that's my biggest thing. If you can hold curls for at least 3 days, like 3 days minimum, oh, like you're a staple. And so that's why I usually like a lot of like those tapered ones, because they usually have better heat capacity or whatever. Like, they just keep the curls in my hair longer. So I'm hoping that this does that. So I am going to be doing a review for 3 days. I'm going to show you guys the curls today, and then I'm going to show you guys day 2 and day 3, and we're going to see how it looks, because listen, nobody wants to be curling their hair every single day. Like, I don't got time for that. And especially when you go on vacation. When you go on vacation, the last thing you want to do is your makeup and your hair. Like, you just want to be cute already. Wouldn't that be amazing if you could just like wake up and you cute? That'd be amazing. So it comes like this. It is pink, which is like my favorite color. And there. Well. Oh, okay, hold up. Holla. I don't even know what Nicki Minaj was saying in that song. I just know she's just saying a whole bunch of things like repeated. So you get your tool. They are nice enough to give you a glove, but listen, it's okay. Just burn yourself a little bit. Sometimes when you're doing it, you gotta take that L and just, we've all done it, okay? Beauty is pain. It's okay if you get a little scratched up in the process. At least your face cute, at least your hair cute, right? User manual. I'm just looking for one specific information. So that's not in here. And in the email they sent me, I'm gonna put it up on the screen so you guys can see what exactly are the features. But what I'm looking for is like how hot it can go, like what's the highest temperature, but it doesn't say. And also on here, it's just like an on and off button. So you can't really adjust the heat. So I'm assuming it's just one temperature. But one of their claims is that it's an infrared heat technology. So it gives precise, even heating, ensures fast, uniform heat recovery to maintain optimum heat levels while styling. So yeah, I still don't have my answer as far as like how hot this can go, but it's cool. You just need to use some heat. Ooh, speaking of, where is my heat protectant? Hold on. Okay, so let me explain what I've done to my hair. So the hair that I'm wearing today is from Beauty Forever, and it is a lace front, and it looks, ooh, this looks terrible. But we gonna get you right though. So I'm gonna take this heat protectant from Olive Oil and just gonna run this through my hair. Y'all notice something different about my makeup? I don't have on lip gloss. Whitney, who are you? I don't know. I do not know. Let's see how this looks. I think this has had time to heat up. Ooh, y'all, this is hot. It's hot. Y'all see that curl? My hair looks terrible, so let me go ahead and play some music for y'all to listen to while I curl this hair. And I'm gonna finish off Black Lightning. Real quick, I am intrigued to see how this would look if I was to like curl it without it being on my head. That's my preferred method of curling my hair. I feel like I can like really be detailed and get like each layer, but let's see. All right, guys, so this is the curls. Now let's go ahead and bring it through. So I'm just gonna take my hand and bring it on through. Let me actually back up so you guys can see like the most of it. Like this. And this side. We're gonna take our hot comb and we're just gonna go ahead and I think I put too much of that heat protectant because it looks shiny in a way I don't like. I don't feel like my part is all the way straight. It looks a little crooked. It is what it is. All right, you guys, so this is the hair in all of its glory. Let me just say, I love this styling tool. Like, I love it. They do have other products on their website. They have a bigger curly wand. They also have a straightener, but I'm not really into like straight hair. I like more curls, body waves, stuff like that. So I was more inclined to picking that one. Yes, this is day one hair. Let me back up. Let me show you guys, like, look at this. Like, this is so pretty. I like this. I like this right here. So I will be back to show you guys what it looks like tomorrow and what it looks like on the day after tomorrow to see how it kind of holds up. If it can kind of keep the same like curls like in here for 3 days, like I am completely sold. Like this will be like my new staple for sure. Also, I'm somebody who does not keep my wig on. Like I take it off by the day. I don't like to sleep with it. It's very uncomfortable. So keep that in mind too. I like to keep my wigs on a wig head on like a surface where it has to like kind of like fold up like this so it can stay in this position longer. All right, you guys, so that is the completion of this trial of the Duvolle curling wand. And this is day 3. And let me just say, I genuinely love this curling wand. Like, I'm so happy that I loved it because it would have been really awkward if I didn't, because I'd have been like, so do y'all want me to send you the product back? Because this ain't it. But luckily, that's not the case. I actually really do like this. This is literally what I need. Like, I'm okay with my hair looking like this after 3 days. Like, curls to look like this. I don't know if I need to get up a little bit more. Let me see, like right here. Yes, just so y'all can see this. But I'm okay with my hair looking like this by day 3. Have you ever like been curling your hair and by the time you're curling your whole hair, like it's like, did I curl my hair? Like everything just looks flat. Or you've curled your hair and like an hour later you look in the mirror and it's like, what the heck? Did I do my hair before I left the house? Because it don't look like it. I freaking love this wand. Like, oh my goodness, like it's perfect. Like, And I used to equate if the hair couldn't hold a curl, it would be bad hair. And I think that is a factor sometimes. But then there's also, you got bad hair and you got a bad curling wand. Like here, I feel like I have good quality hair and a good curling iron. So I'm really, really happy about that. So yes, you guys, that is it. I would highly recommend you checking out Duvolle. And if you are in need of a new curling wand, a new straightener, just something new, heating tool, I would definitely look at them. Yet again, you can save 70% off of your purchase by using my discount code AskWhitney. Your girl getting discount codes now? Look at me. Look at me. Stop. Stop it. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram if you're not yet following me. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Leave a comment down below. You guys, please leave a comment down below. I want more engagement with you guys, you know? I'm trying here, so y'all gotta try with me, okay? But no, leave a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. And until next time, I'll talk to you beauties later. Bye.